When it comes to riding a BRP vehicle in group or even solo, a communication system is a must to ensure the best experience with a full BRP ecosystem. Hi, my name is Jeremy and I'm here to introduce the Vibe Universal Communication System by BRP. BRP is so happy to bring into the market the new Vibe Universal Communication System, sharing most of the features and technologies as a regular Vibe, such as premium speakers and microphone with sound by Harman Kardon, fast charging port, Bluetooth compatible with smartphones and BRP vehicles, mesh intercom, and more. Plus, the battery designed for maximum performance in cold temperature. You'll be sure to not run out of battery. This new communication system now allows any user that have a BRP helmet to be connected to the full BRP connectivity experience. With an easy access and installation, this top-of-the-line communication system will know how to conquer any adventure that lies ahead of you. The comm system is also connected to the latest BRP hub handlebar system that easily allows users to set up and manage the Vibe Universal directly in the free BRP Go app. You'll be able to check battery level, change language devices, and more. With this new product into their lineups, BRP ensures the best experience with the BRP ecosystem and have a smoother and enjoyable ride. That's all, folks. Make sure to subscribe to the newsletter with alerts to know when the gear is available for purchase. For more details, visit brp.com. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you out there.